Welcome to Guy's Grocery Games. 4 incredible all-star chefs are about to compete in a supermarket battle for a good cause. Let's meet them. Now, first up, we've got restaurateur, cookbook author, and Food Network host. Let's meet them. Oh, I forgot. That's right. They're sitting right there. It's the judges.
What?
Oh, that's right. Aarti, Blais, G-Man. Come on over. It's time to compete.
What the? Did you know about this?
It's time to put cooking where your mouth is. Come on.
Really? Nice to be the boss, huh?
The trailblazing restaurateur and probably one of the coolest cats we've ever had on the show, Chef Richard Blais. My personal space queen, Aarti Sequeira. My right-hand man, G. Garvin. And wicked, super cool, awesome stock boy, Beau MacMillan. I want you to start off by strutting your stuff. You're gonna have to make international lunch. Remember, it doesn't happen until 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes!
G. Garvin almost really purposely ran me over.
Oh, God.
I'm making pasta with prawns and pork belly.
I've got a shot at winning this thing. So I'm making this play on prawns with Pernod.
What goes in pita bread? Falafels. I would love to use chickpeas, but that starts with a C. I grab some frozen peas instead, and thusly, the pilafel sandwich.
I'm doing the petroli sole, the prawns, and the pancetta to top it off.
Hey, listen, sorry to call you guys from the pool, but you clean up nice.
Thank you.
Here to pass the judgment on the judges is our hastily assembled panel of backup judges fresh out of the pool. Dusky Estes, Catherine McCord, and Troy Boy Johnson.
I still have my bikini on.
I know. G-Money, you got 2.5 minutes. You ready to cook that?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
You looking for this?
Yes.
That's hot.
G is putting his petroli sole on the heat right now.
You gotta hurry.
I gotta bring it home. I'm okay, baby.
Come on, rice, don't fail me now. I taste the rice. I am happy my purple rice is going to be great.
1 minute, 45 seconds, chefs. 1 minute, 45 seconds.
G, Garvin, let's see this. Come on, G, 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 G.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Our competing judges had to make an international lunch. First up, Chef Richard Blais.
Well, the challenge was P&Z, so we made porcini pasta.
Dude, I love pasta, peas, and pork.
Up next, G. Money Garvin.
I did a sauteed petroli sole.
It's got a nice crisp exterior, especially the edges get that nice brown crisp on them.
Up next, Beau Mac Daddy. What do you got?
My dish is real simple. It is a play on a classic French dish, prawns with Pernod, with petroli sole, and it sits over a bed of purple rice.
Chef Beau, the Pernod with the peppers is so awesome with the seafood.
Next up, the Spice Queen herself.
First off, I just want to say that you are my favorite judges. This is a pilafel.
Chef Princess Aarti. If anyone in the lineup nailed international lunch, you took it.
The chef that will be checking out in the first round will be G-Money. Chef judges, somehow you survived that first challenge. I want to give one of you a key advantage in this next round.
Yes!
Yes, come on now. With a little game that I like to call the Culinary Quiz.
I love culinary quiz.
Aarti, you have the advantage, so you get to shop for an extra item from aisle 2. You are, without question, 3 of my favorite 2-1-go judges.
I am going to make a cauliflower rice.
I'm making potatoes cooked in saltwater solution with a romesco sauce.
I'm making this like mosaic of farmed vegetables. Eggplant, char it up, you roast it on the grill. It gives you this smoky baba ganoush-like flavor.
Okay, come on, eggplant. My eggplant, I've really got to elevate it in terms of flavor. So I'm throwing everything at it. Any?
Come on, baby. I know I need some sweetness, so balsamic chili glaze. It's a quick and easy little reduction sauce. I want to win bad today and feed people in need. It's better than winning it for yourself. I'll tell you that all day long.
30 seconds.
I start spooning that eggplant over the cauliflower rice, and I leave the curry leaves in. That's what we do at home.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working.
And down.
Nice, guys. Wow, wow,
Nice.
wow.
Beau Mac.
Thank you guys. Today, you have a beautiful mosaic of vegetables featuring grilled tofu. The base of the plate is a balsamic chili glaze and a bed of smoked eggplant and kimchi puree.
You nailed it.
Thank you very much.
Up next, Chef Aarti.
I've got cauliflower rice. Then I dressed with tamarind dressing. On top of that, I've got a smoky eggplant curry.
I'm ready to eat more.
Gosh, thanks, Dusky. Oh my gosh.
To not be outdone, the mad scientist in Kitchen 1. Chef Blais, what do you got, buddy?
Guys, I did salted potatoes, and then I did a romesco of pine nuts, guajillo chilies, a quick little pickle of kumquats, and some grapes that I cooked on the grill.
I look at this and I'm like, this isn't very much. And then I dug in. It's a phenomenal. I can't even talk.
The chef that will be checking out will be Chef Blais. You two are like family to me. Dysfunctional family, but family. So I want you to make a family meal. And seriously, because this is down to the finals, it's 3, 2, 1, then you go, okay? You die!
I'm going to make a shrimp chutney and grits.
What do I need? I need eggs. I'm making shrimp and grits. Where's the grits at? I gotta find grits, instant grits. I'm playing for St. Mary's Food Bank in Arizona, the oldest food bank in America, to feed hungry people. This has gotta be my best dish. This has gotta be the one. I gotta get these eggs cooking, to get them up to temp so they're tender. I put those green onions in the grits to get little bursts of, boom, grassiness and spiciness and a little bitterness. Don't fail me now.
1 minute.
1 minute left.
They're both ferociously plating right now to get that 20K for their charity.
You can see them really in the zone now.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working. First up, Chef Aarti.
Hi, guys. I've made tomato and dill shrimp curry. The pimento cheese is in the grits.
Aarti, I love your pimento cheese. Great use in the grits. Very simple, very creamy.
Chef Beau Mac.
Brother man, I did a pimento green onion shrimp and grits with a tiny shrimp and chorizo.
This is actually a breakfast that I would come back to, which I didn't think possible.
And the chef that will be checking out will be Chef Aarti. On the clock is 2 minutes. Each item that you find and put in the cart, you will get $2,000. You find all 10 items, you'll win $20,000 for your charity. Who are you playing for again, Beau?
St. Mary's Food Bank, the oldest food bank in America. This is feeding hungry people in need. Every dollar feeds 8 people.
Awesome. I gotta talk to the judges for 1 second, so let me just have you move that way. Judges, this is gonna start in 3, 2, 1. What? $6,000.
Didn't know Big Beau Mac could run. I got wheels.
Tostada shells, tostada shells. $8,000, 1 minute left. Aisle 5, vanilla beans.
I see those vanilla beans. I grab them, throw them in the cart.
$10,000.
Now fabric softener for $2.19.
Ding dong, go. Grade A maple syrup.
Fabric softener.
Maple syrup! Great A!
It's killing me.
Leave it to Flavortown Market to have the whole alphabet of grades on maple syrup.
Grab a few. Come on, get them all. There you go. Go, 15 seconds. Go, Beau, go.
Guys screaming at me. I can hear people in the background.
Come on, man. 10 ounce. $16,000. That's it. Time's up.
I just got 16 grand for St. Mary's Food Bank.
For $16,000, give it up to Chef Beau